Hey up, Cliff from Swadlincote. I'm here at 4 Lane Ends in Newhall. Well, I'm just going walking round and you see this post, this one here in front of me. Well, there's no date on it, but that goes back to when the trams used to run through Newhall. There's a crest on it, but I can't see any date on it. I'll try and get right in. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see anything on there, but that goes right back to when the trams used to run through Newhall. And I'm having to do the recording this way so I can get it all on. So if you can make any of that out on there. But it's got to date back to the early 1900s. So I just thought I'd do a video on it while I was up here. Yeah. So if you've enjoyed this short video on this pole from the old tram days that went through Newhall, give it a like and a subscribe. If you're on TikTok, give it a like and a follow. And up there, can you remember up there, there's a pub called the George? Yeah, it's changed a lot around here. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hey up, I've just done the video at 4 Lane Ends about the tramway post. Well, I'm here at Sunnyside in Newhall now, and there's one here as well, if you can see that. But I can't see any date on any of them. You can see that. Well, that was used when the trams used to run through Newhall. Same as the one at 4 Lane Ends as well. So that's a reminder of when the trams used to go through Newhall. Thank you. So if you've enjoyed this little video and you watched it on YouTube, give it a like and a subscribe. If you watched it on TikTok, give it a like and a follow.